Welcome to Energy Healing with Chris. In this meditation, we will focus on healing your root chakra, the energy center that governs your sense of safety, stability, and grounding. The root chakra is located at the base of your spine and is considered the foundation of your energy system. If you have experienced trauma connected to childhood wounds or narcissistic abuse, you will find that it profoundly disrupts this energy center. In this meditation, you will work on releasing fear and insecurity while inviting in a new sense of safety and self-trust. This process will help clear blockages in your root chakra, easing any physical symptoms and enabling you to feel more grounded and present in your body. As your root chakra heals, you will naturally begin to feel more connected to yourself, to your body, and to the world around you. It is time to reclaim your ability to trust your own resilience as well as your process in life. Now let's begin. Find a quiet, peaceful space where you will not be disturbed. You can sit comfortably with your feet on the floor, barefoot if possible, to feel more connected to the earth. Or you may prefer to lie down, allowing your body to fully relax and be supported. Please do what feels best for you. Start by gently closing your eyes. Take a few deep and slow breaths to center yourself. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. As you continue breathing deeply, feel your body begin to relax. Recognize any tightness or discomfort you feel, and breathe into that area. Allow it to relax and calm. You are safe and you are loved. Bring your awareness to your feet. Picture beautiful glowing roots extending from the soles of your feet, burrowing down deep into the earth. These roots are strong and steady, connecting you to the heart of the earth. As your roots descend deeper, feel the energy of the earth flowing up into your body. Feel this energy as a warm and nurturing presence. It is an energy of unconditional love, stability, and grounding. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to the earth's loving support. Let the earth hold you. Let it support you and remind you that you are safe. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine, the area of your root chakra. Imagine a glowing red sphere of light at the base of your spine. This red light represents the energy of your root chakra, your foundation of safety, security, and your personal power. Visualize this red light growing brighter and stronger with each breath you take. With each inhale, this light expands, filling your pelvis and lower abdomen with warmth and security. And as you exhale, feel yourself releasing any feelings of fear, instability, or worry that no longer serves you. As you are connected to your root chakra, you may start to recognize feelings of fear, feelings of instability, or distrust that may be present. Gently ask your body and your energy field to reveal in a dull, dark, or smoky color any emotions or negative imprints that may be stored in your root chakra. As any negative energy, memories, or limiting beliefs about your safety and self-worth reveal themselves through this dark color, know that it is time to clear these away. They once served you in a necessary learning experience for your soul. Your energy field is now ready to release what no longer serves you, in order to shift into the version of yourself you want to connect with now. Recognize that this darker color is coming together, much like particles joining to form a ball. Notice the bright, glowing red light behind it, vibrant and full of warmth, growing stronger and stronger. This light is radiant, and it represents the energy of healing, grounding, and empowerment. As this red light begins to shine, feel its warmth and strength pulsing through you, gently but powerfully. Allow this red light to grow. Allow it to expand and become even brighter. As it does, see how it breaks apart the dark energy ball in this chakra, and watch it completely dissolve with the help of this light. This light brings a sense of deep security and trusting yourself. With every breath, feel this red light growing stronger. Allow it to solidify your sense of safety in your body and in the world. Now see this red light gently flowing down through your legs. Let it move effortlessly through each part of your body, flowing into your feet and your toes, all the way to the ground below you. As the light moves, feel it bringing balance and healing to every cell, every muscle, every part of you that it touches. It is revitalizing your body, filling you with a sense of stability and inner strength, as well as releasing any old energies that no longer align to your frequency. Feel the energy of this healing red light infusing you with a profound sense of safety and resilience. Feel your root chakra becoming vibrant and strong and anchored deep into the earth. The energy of support and empowerment is now flowing freely through you. You are grounded, you are centered, and you are completely in alignment with your ability to stand strong in your own life. Your root chakra is even more resilient, your foundation is stronger, and your sense of self is more firmly established. You are whole, and you are supported. Take some time to connect with this feeling. As this meditation comes to a close, take a moment to honor the healing and grounding you've just experienced. Feel the strength and stability of your root chakra, now vibrant and empowered, and deeply connected to the earth. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body and gently reconnect with your surroundings. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Take a few deep breaths, allowing each inhale to fill you with calm, and feel a deeper calm with each release of your breath. Begin to move your fingers and toes gently, bringing awareness back to your physical form. Stretch your body in a way that feels natural, inviting in movement and energy to flow freely. And when you feel ready, open your eyes, bringing the peace and strength you've cultivated in this session with you. You are safe, you are grounded, and you are supported by the earth. You are always capable of returning to this sense of balance and empowerment whenever you need it. I send you so much love and light. Namaste.